Here we will write a program to find out binary octal equivalent of a given decimal number depending on user choice. So in comment line we will write it. For this we will declare a class convertDigit and we will write a method public string binary number with parameter n. Here we will declare a string variable result which is initialized, and we will declare a variable r. So while n greater than 1, first we will separate out the digit using n mod 2. Since we are finding the binary number, we will use n mod 2 to separate the digit, and result equal to, we will convert it to string, the digit separated, and we will concatenate it with result, and we will divide n equal to n by 2 since it is a binary system. And lastly we will concatenate and we will return the result. Now we will write a method for finding octal number with parameter n. Here also we will declare a variable result. We will declare integer variable r for separating the digit, and while n greater than 1, we will use while loop here, and here we will separate the digit r equal to n mod 8. Since it is an octal number system, we will divide it by 8. We will concatenate it and we will divide the number by 8. And lastly we will assign result equal to the remaining value of n plus result, and we will return the result. In main method we will declare a variable n for accepting the number, ch for accepting the choice, since we are going to find depend on user choice. Now we will accept the number, we will accept it in n. Now we will declare the options, it is 1 for binary and 2 for octal, and we will accept the choice in ch. And if choice equal to 1, we will call the binary method. So since in binary number method we are just returning the result, we are not printing that result. Now we will create the object for our class convertDigit. C equal to new convertDigit, and depend on choice we will execute the method from convertDigit. So if ch equal to 1, we will call the method in console.writeLine. Since in binary number method we are just returning the value, not printing the value. So c dot binary number with parameter n. Else if ch equal to 2, in console.writeLine we will call c.octal with parameter n. Else it will print invalid choice. And to execute we will press F5. If I enter the number 7 and I will enter the option 1, it will print binary number 111. We can give the caption here. We will print here binary number. So after execution, if I enter number 7 and I will give option 1, it will print binary number 1. It will print binary number 111. If I will give a number 40 and if I select option 2, it will print octal number 50.